Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use picture-in-picture on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone, open the Crunchyroll app, and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, play any episodes you want. Once the video starts playing, tap the screen once to show the playback controls. Now swipe from the bottom of the screen or press the home bar. If picture-in-picture is supported, the video will shrink into a small floating window on your screen, and that's it. Picture is now on. You can now open other apps, reply to messages, browse the web. All while your anime keeps playing in the corner, you can drag the small video window to any corner on the screen to make the video bigger again. Just tap the window and choose full screen. If picture-in-picture does not work, here is how to turn it on. Open settings on your iPhone, then tap on general, then picture-in-picture. Now turn on start PiP automatically. Now go back to the Crunchyroll app and try again. And that's it. That's how to use picture-in-picture on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.